Hello my dear students, so let's start our quadratic equations. Exercise 2.3. Of course, this is by completing the square method, which the basics of that we have done already, and now we will just go on solving the exercise. Question number 1 they have given is as x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So first what we have to do is that we should set, this can be changed to what? We can change this to we can change this. We can change this basically to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This we can change it to, because this is a plus sign over here. A square is already set because the coefficient of square is 1. Now we have to think about b square. For discovering b square, we will have to shift this minus 20 on the other side. I'll get x square plus x is equal to 0 plus 20 will become 20. This is there, and now I will have to find the new third term. New third term is basically square of half of coefficient of x. Square of that is going to be the new third term. That will be half of coefficient of x is 1, and then square of this will be 1 upon 2 square. Fine. So this is the new third term. So I'll write over here adding 1 upon 2 square on both sides of equation 1. What I'll get is, this is the equation 1, x square plus x is equal to 20. This is equation 1. I'll add 1 upon 2 the whole square over here plus 1 upon 2 the whole square over here. What do I get is x square plus x, sorry, this I should not do. Now this is my new third term. Now I told you all people to ignore this for a time being. You are a plus b, which is going to be actually equal to a plus b the whole square. A is what of yours? X plus b is 1 upon 2. Basically this is going to be your equation. Expand this and write over here. What you will get is, if I expand this is going to be x square plus 2 into x into half plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is going to be equal to 20 plus 1 upon 4. Now I have to counter check it. X square is framed, whether my middle term is framed. If I solve this, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, x1 is x. This is there. That means this is a right one. So I'll write over here x plus half the whole square is equal to, now this I will have to solve. Multiply this also by 4 and this also by 4. 24 is a 80 plus 1 upon 4. So this is done. Now here reason will be a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is your reason. Now this is your square you have completed. So now I can solve this to find the value of the root, taking square root of both sides. X plus 1 upon 2 the whole square. 80 plus 1 will be 81 upon 4 the whole square. With this square root and whole square will go, I will get x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 81 is 9 and square root of 4 is 2. So I get x plus half is equal to 9 upon 2 or x plus half minus 9 upon 2. Half goes on the other side, x is equal to okay, so this will become x is equal to 9 minus 1 will be 8 upon 2 minus 10 upon 2, so x is equal to 4, or therefore 4 comma minus 5 are the roots of given equations. Okay, so in this way it is there. Now if you feel, you can substitute the values over here. 16, what will this give? 4, that's right, you will get 20, 0. That's all, you will get this. Even my dear students, you can do one thing, you can solve this very question by the process of factorization method also, and then counter check your answer. That will really give you nice practice of both the methods. Your answer should come same whether you do by factorization method or by completing the square method. Second question given to us is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This again is going to be of the same type, so we will again convert this into the form of a square plus 2ab, because there is a plus over here, plus b square, which will then get turned to a plus b the whole square. So going to set my a square, which is already set, so no problem over that because coefficient of x square is already a unity. Now going to b square, I will have to shift this minus 5 on the other side. I will get x square plus 2x is equal to 0 plus 5, 5. Now I am going to discover new third term. For that I have to find half, means square of half of coefficient of x, square of this will be half of, what is the coefficient of x? 2. This will go and I will get 1 square. That means this 1 square I will have to add on both the sides. Adding 1 square on both sides of equation 1. We get, what do we get? See, this is equation 1. I am writing equation 1 first. X square plus 2x is equal to 5. I will add 1 square over here. I will add 1 square over here. And then I tell you, now this is my framing done. My a is what over here? X. Whatever is under the square. Plus of this. And what is under the square? 1. I will frame this. If I expand this, what do I get? X square. Remember, I am not doing anything from here. I am doing it from here. X square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is going to be 5 plus 1 square is 1. Now if I see this, 2x into 1 is 2x. It is done. That means this split of this whole square of mine is right. I will write x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 6, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is, I have completed the square. Now I will start solving this, taking square root of both sides. This is my x plus 1 the whole square, and we take square root of this, take square root of this. When I take square root, this x plus 1 stays, radical and 2 both will go, but this I cannot find, so I will write plus minus root 6. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to either root 6 or it is going to be x plus 1 minus root 6. So x is equal to root 6 minus 1, or x is equal to minus root 6, minus 1. These are the values. Okay, my dear students. So this should be your answer. Let me check at the back of the textbook. This is exercise 2.3. What is this? 9th textbook. Sorry, I have not taken the textbook of 10th standard only. Okay, fine. It should, we can counter check it like that also, but this is, see, basically if now I have to counter check it, root 6 minus 1, root 6 minus 1 whole square plus 2 into root 6 minus 1 minus 5. This should be equal to 0. Are you getting, in place of x I am writing root 6 minus 1. So root 6 minus 1, if I solve this, this will become 6 minus 2 root 6 plus 1 plus 2 root 6 minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 will go, 6 plus 5 will be 7, minus 2 minus 5 will be minus 7, 0. Okay, so similarly you will get the other one also, minus root 6 minus 1. That is the right answer. Okay, my dear student, with this I can go to the next question. That is question number 3. Question number 3 I can continue solving over here. Do not take that space. Question number 3. M square minus 5m is equal to minus 3 they have given. In the question they have given m square minus m is equal to minus 3. I will shift over here plus 3. Otherwise, as it is, I have to shift it on the right hand side already. So I will keep it like that, no problem. So see, my dear student, this can be shifted to the form of m square. Now it is minus 2mn plus n square, which will be later converted to m minus n the whole square. M square is already set over here. For discovery of n square, minus 3 is already shifted on the other side. So I can just write this as 1, and then I will go to find third term. For that third term, half of coefficient of m the whole square. That will be what? Half of coefficient of m is minus 5 the whole square. That will be 5 upon 2 the whole square, simply because you know minus of a square of a negative number is also positive. So now 5 upon 2 the whole square. This is how I got 1 minus 5 the minus 5, but that will go on 2 1 the 2. Now adding 5 upon 2 the whole square on both sides of equation 1. What do we get? See, this is equation 1. I am writing equation 1 first. Minus 5m is equal to minus 3. This 5 upon 2 the whole square, I will add on both the sides. Here also 5 upon 2 the square. So what do I get now? Here I told you I should ignore this, but what is my m? M minus, and my n is 5 upon 2 the whole square. Now I should be able to expand this and write over there. I have to ignore this. M square minus 2 into m into 5 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 the whole square is equal to minus 3 plus 5 square is 25 upon 4. Now I have to counter check with this. M square minus, now if I solve this, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 5m. That is right. That means this expansion is right. M minus 5 upon 2 the whole square. M minus 5 upon 2 the whole square is equal to, now this will be, I will multiply this also by 4, this also by 4, minus 12 plus 25 upon 4. Okay. Now since a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square, this I have used over here. Now taking square root of both sides, this is what actually m minus 5 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, good. This is nice. M minus 5 upon 2 the whole square. I'll find the square root of this. This will be, actually if I subtract this, 25 minus 12, 25, 15, 13 I suppose. Square root of this. Okay. So now if I solve this, I'll get m minus 5 upon 2, square root and square both will go, plus minus root 13 I don't have, so root 13 upon 2. Therefore m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to, either it is going to be root 13 upon 2 or it is going to be same m minus 5 upon 2 is going to be minus root 13 upon 2. Therefore I am getting m is equal to root 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to 5 upon 2 minus root 13 upon 2. So this will be m is equal to root 13 plus 5 upon 2, or m is equal to 5 minus root 13 upon 2. This again you will be able to, you should be able to check this whether it is right or not. Okay, so with this we proceed to the next question. It's always nice to counter check the answers, my dear friends. Just got the textbook. Point 3, question number 3, root 13 plus 5 upon 2 minus root 13 plus 5 upon 2. This is right, my dear students. So, okay, so now we go to the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4 they have given us 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can make it clear now. This I can shift it to y square minus 2y. Now what do I take as the one? X plus x square, right? Which will be equal to y minus x the whole square. Something of this sort it will come. Okay. So if I go to frame my y square, I will have to divide this by 9 because I have to get rid of the coefficient. So I will write over here dividing throughout by 9 we get. This also I divide by 9, this also I divide by 9, this also I divide by 9, this also I divide by 9. These both will go, I will get y square minus 3, 3 is 9, 3, 4 is 12, this will become 4 upon 3 y plus 2 upon 9 is still equal to 0. So my y square is set, and now I will have to think about x square. For that I will shift this on the other side, y square minus 4 upon 3y is equal to minus 2 upon 9. Now this is my first equation. Now I will go to find my third term, that is half of coefficient of y the whole square. That means half of, what is the coefficient of y? Minus 4 upon 3 the whole square. So this 2 is 1, this will be 2 upon 3 the whole square. Fine. So adding 2 upon 3 on both sides of equation. This is y square minus 4 upon 3y is equal to minus 2 upon 9. I will add over here 2 upon 3 the whole square, add over here 2 upon 3 the whole square. Now my equation is framed. So my y is what? Y minus will come over here, and my x is 2 upon 3, and this I will expand and write over here. This, if I expand this, it will become y square minus 2 into y into 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 the whole square. Now this I will have to solve, minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Now this if I see, 2 2s are 4 upon 3y, right? That means this expansion of mine is proper. So I write over here y minus 2 upon 3 the whole square is equal to, now this I will have to solve, minus 2 plus 4 will give me 2 upon 9. Reason a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. Now this I will have to solve, y minus 2 the whole square is equal to 2 upon 9. This is what I have got now, dear students. Okay, if I go to solve this to find the value of the roots, I will first take in square roots of both sides. So y minus 2 upon 3 the, find the square root of this, find the square root of this, y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to root 2 upon 3, or y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus root 2 upon 3. Y is equal to root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, or y is equal to minus root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. So y is equal to, I will reverse this because this also I will have to reverse, 2 plus root 2 upon 3. Are you getting this? I am adding, or this will be 2 minus root 2 upon 3. These are the values. Yes, paka. Therefore 2 plus root 2 upon 3, 2 minus root 2 upon 3 are roots of given this is done. Okay, so with this we have finished the fourth question. Now we can go forward to the fifth question. Fifth question is telling us 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this can be changed to the form of y square plus 2y x plus x square, right? This is your x10, that is equal to, which will be changing to y plus x the whole square. So to get set y square, to the coefficient of y square, this I will divide by 2, 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 this is 1. So this is set, and now I want to set this. For that I will have to shift 5 on the other side. Now this is my equation 1, and now I will have to discover new third term, that will be equal to half of coefficient of y whole square. Half of coefficient of y will be 9 upon 2 the whole square. That will give me 9 upon 4 whole square. 1 9s are 9, 2 2s are 4 the whole square. So adding 9 upon 4 the whole square on both sides of equation. So what is equation 1? Y square plus 9 upon 2y. This is equation 1. I am copying here. Y square plus 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 5. I will have to add 9 upon 4 the whole square to both the sides. So this is now going to be, this y is going to be y plus, and x is going to be 9 upon 4 like this. So if I expand this, what do I get? Y square plus 2 into y into 9 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4 the whole square, and I will solve this. 9 9 is 81 upon 16. Okay, so now if I go to frame this, 2 2s are 4, 9 upon 2y, perfect. That means this is right. Y plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to, if I go to solve this also I have to multiply by 16. 16 5 6 are 30, 80 minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. And solving this I will get here. Reason is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. This you have used. Fine. So now if I solve this, minus 80 plus 81 will give you 1 upon 16. This you have completed the square, and now you will solve this to find the value of roots. For that you will have to do taking square root of both sides. This is the left hand side, y plus 9 upon 4 square, and this is the right hand side, 1 upon 16. Take square root of left side, square root of right side. So radical and square both will go. I will get y plus 9 upon 4. This is square root will be positive or negative, 1 upon 4. 1 ka square root is 1. Square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4, or minus 1 upon 4. When I solve this, y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4, or minus 1 upon 4 minus 9. When I solve this, y is equal to 1 minus 9 will be minus 8 upon 4, or minus 10 upon 4. Right? 4 2s are, this will be y is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. These are the two values that we have got, and they are right. Minus 2, minus 5 upon 2. Fine. So therefore minus 2, minus 5 upon 2 are the given quadratic equation. Fine, my dear students. So with this we have gone through question number 5, and now the last question of this exercise, that is question number 6, which asks us to find the square roots of not square roots of. So I'll purposely take only 4x over here. So this I can shift it to the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which can be further shifted to a minus b the whole square. To make my a square, I will have to divide throughout by 5. Dividing so 5 5 5. This is gone. So this is set, and now to set this, the constant is already shifted on the right hand side. New constant I will have to discover, that will be half of minus 2 upon 5 will not be required, then write plus 2 upon 5. So this is what we have got. Where am I? Okay. So adding 2 upon 5 the this is equation 1, x square minus 4 upon 5x is equal to, I will add over here, so here if I have to solve this, my a is what? X minus is proper, and my b is 2 upon 5. This I expand it, so I will get x square minus 2 into x into 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 the whole square. This if I solve, 7 upon 5. The right hand side I will have to solve. So now if I do this, 2 2s are 4x upon 5, 4x upon 5. This also is right. So x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square is equal to, this I will multiply by 5, this I will multiply by 5, 7 5s are 35 plus 4 upon 25 I will get. Fine. So this will be this is, I have completed the square, and now to solve this, these should be the roots and they are right. Okay, my dear students, so this is how. It's too easy, and I will request you all people to see whether, because basically this type of questions, this type of roots, it's very difficult to find by the factorization method. So it's okay, you can solve it by only in one method. Definitely you can use formula method for both the questions. Okay, my dear students, with this we finish exercise 2.3, and soon we will go forward to exercise 2.4 once we have finished. Okay, take care, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and most of all, most important, stay happy. Love you all, my dear students. Bye.